Here is a communication question to understand quadratic equation in vertex form. We need to describe vertex in the given situation. Question is, the cost in dollars of gas to drive a car from Toronto to Montreal is given by the formula cost equals to 0.04 times V minus 75 whole square plus 145, where V is the speed in kilometers per hour of the car. Now we need to describe in this formula, which says, let's rewrite the formula first, which says cost equals to 0.04 V minus 75 square plus 145. Here V is in kilometers per hour and cost C is given in dollars. So we need to describe here what vertex implies. What is the significance of vertex here? Now this is the vertex form, and from here we can say vertex is, the coordinates of vertex will be 75, 145. Now what does that mean? That is what we need to describe. Well, if you see the formula, then 0.04 is positive, right? So therefore the parabola is going to open upwards, so we'll have a parabola which is kind of like this, and vertex, which we are talking about, is this point. So what does this signify? Here for velocity of 75, cost is going to be $145. Now, as you can see, since the parabola opens upwards, cost should be minimum, correct? So we can write down that the vertex here signifies that the minimum cost of what? Of gas. Minimum cost of gas to drive a car from Toronto to Montreal is $145 if the speed of car is 75 and the units are kilometers per hour. So that is one way you can describe it. The other way is that the minimum cost of the gas is going to be when the car speed is maintained at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour, and the cost will be $145 to drive from Toronto to Montreal. So that is how we can explain this, right? So it's a communication question, so keep in mind that you should give full explanation and write down your answer in complete statement. Thank you and all the best.